Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, April 23rd and 24th, 2016. We're going to have some clouds and a few lingering showers this morning. I do think we're going to have the clouds and showers move out before noon in most areas, and we'll have clouds giving way to sun, called decreasing clouds on Saturday, and then a mostly sunny day and pleasant day on Sunday. So we get to go a little bit here. Actually, we're looking at the morning here on the global models, just showing those spotty showers for southeastern areas. Areas in the northwest here across northeastern PA, back to State College, even back to Harrisburg and places like that should be in the clear. May have a lingering shower very early here in the central areas from places like Allentown up into northern New Jersey, and then for down by Philadelphia into say north central to central New Jersey. You might have some lingering showers hanging on to about noon or so. Here is that future radar starting off at 2 a.m. on Saturday. I'll move this forward from this point and just give you an idea here. Once we get to 6 a.m., still have some showers that are starting to linger at this point from Harrisburg over through Allentown and into northwestern portions of northern New Jersey. And as we push along here to 8 a.m., it still moves south of Harrisburg, south of Allentown, south of Sussex, New Jersey, and it starts pushing off to the southeast. So areas across southeastern PA might still be under these showers after 8 a.m. Everywhere else I just mentioned should be done with it by then, and then just have some decreasing clouds after that point once this continues moving off to the southeast. And then here is a look at 11 a.m. of the last image, and this is the furthest that this particular model goes into the future, so it's not always exactly accurate at this range, but it does have a few showers in and around the vicinity of the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Again, this could just be a leftover shower up to about noon. I think I would allow for southeastern areas, and a little bit earlier for areas further northwest. So let's go a little bit further here and show you what's going on after that point. Sunday, we're going to have mostly sunny skies as we have high pressure and control of our weather, and you can see that right here. We're going to have a system that's coming in here to our picture from the west. It's right here, and it's going to have an associated warm front. This frontal boundary, I think, is going to stay to our north across southern New York State, so I don't think we're getting any precipitation out of it. We have to watch the far northern portions of northeastern PA and north central PA here for overnight Sunday night for a brief shower, and that's it. But elsewhere, as this warm front moves off to the north, and we have high pressure building off to the coast again here, we have another area of high pressure here, and another clockwise flow around this high pressure, and of course being on this side of the warm front, which is now up here. We're in the warm sector here. This is going to give us a very warm day on Monday again, 75 to 80 degrees across many areas depending on where you're at from north to south, so it should be pretty warm and well above normal, of course. This frontal boundary that we're talking about here, that's off to our north, is going to become the focus of this area of low pressure. I'm going to just draw this here for you. Very easy to see where the frontal boundary is. It's sitting here like this. This area of low pressure is going to move along that boundary. As this front moves down to the south, this area of low pressure is going to move along that boundary toward our area. So we're going to have a little bit of rain that's going to come in here as early as Monday night for our central and northern areas. As I move this forward, you can see that here. Central and northern areas, this is overnight Monday night. Just a few showers for our central and northern areas starting to creep in. You can see this front is starting to sag down to the south, though, and at the same time, this area of low pressure is traversing this boundary. It's going to end up down here like this as this front continues to sag off to the south and bring us those showers here for mainly on Monday, but again, could start early for our central and northern areas here late after midnight on Monday night. It should be starting to move in from north to south, but then here's that area of low pressure moving across that boundary, giving showers on Tuesday. Again, not a big deal. This is we have these systems coming in every 2-3 days. We're going to start that little streak now, but the problem is you're only talking about a tenth, maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain. There's really not a lot of rain involved with these systems. You got another one here coming in here on Thursday after a break on Wednesday. I think Wednesday will be a partly cloudy day, near normal temperatures. And then we have another little system coming in here on Thursday that's going to bring us some more showers. But again, not a lot of precipitation with this. Another tenth of an inch, maybe 2/10 of an inch if you're lucky. We're really just not getting any real big haymakers as far as precipitation is concerned, and we really need it. We're kind of falling behind here in the soil moisture department. We're in a deficit right now, so we could definitely use the rain, especially since this is the start of the growing season, and we could really use that for grass, for trees, for plants, vegetables, what have you, that what everybody's growing out there. We definitely need the rain. So we're going to keep our fingers crossed. We're going to have some chances every 2-3 days, but right now they don't look significant. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that and keep our fingers crossed in the meantime. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for the weekend, April 23rd and 24th, 2016. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.